Look at that. Every haircut these days is about 25 to 30 bucks plus. I'm already starting to feel like a UFC fighter. Pretty close shave. Also, the trimmer is pretty good on your unmentionables, if you know what I mean. Oh yeah. This is the before. And now this is after using two of these. Right? It does a pretty decent job fading. So if you're looking for a really good trimmer that does a good job with fading, I would say then this is a good set to start with. This is for like intricate designs, lines, and things like that. And you can even use this on your beard. So time for a trimmer and a hair clipper. This is a model JM568 and it charges in 2.5 hours. It does charge by USB-C, so that's good. The other charging cord. I definitely dig the grips. They are water resistant, so you don't want to soak them, but if you're going to use these in a shower, you don't want to get this section here wet. At the bottom, there's like this little handle, so you could hang it somewhere. All right, so let's take a look at these. This is the trimmer. This is the lighter version. Sometimes these screws will over time become loose, so if that happens, all you really need to do is just tighten them up. I would say once every month, because when they do come loose, you're gonna have to fudge with the blades and you don't want to be doing that, so just keep it tight. The grips have this metal texture, so it feels good to the touch. They have this sophisticated look to them, although I do believe that this is a little too big. This probably should have been somewhere at the bottom, not noticeable. I'm digging this little crest here. Decently light, although it's not too light. Feels like a flashlight, honestly. For the trimmer itself, you get 1mm guide, 2 and 3, which are very important, very close fades. For the hair clipper, you get 1.5mm, 3mm, 4.5mm, 6mm, 10mm, and 13mm. I'm noticing that 1 is also going to be pretty good for fades and blends. So if you're looking for a really good trimmer that does a good job with fading, I would say then this is a good set to start with. This is for like intricate designs, lines, and things like that, and you can even use this on your beard. So we're going to test these two out. I purposefully didn't shave, and we're going to do a trim on my hair as well, just to see what we get. This is the before. And now this is after using two of these. Now, I'm no stranger to cutting my own hair. So these are the two current ones that I have. I use this one because it's the closest to the skin. This one I'm using for fades, and then this one I'm using for maybe cutting, you know, thicker hair. Then this one is very intricate, as intricate as that one. Let's turn this one on. So this one doesn't feel as contained and strong as this one. This one feels like there's a lot more things going on. You can see that it's so quick that you can't even see it moving. All right, now let's take a look at this one. This one has an additional way to go down or up, see that? So when you press the clip on here, you can still get it closer to the skin. So this is the loud one. We're gonna start with the beard. We're gonna see how close we're gonna go so we can actually do a dry shave. Pretty close shave. I gotta admit it, it's actually pretty good. I wanna compare it with my old one actually. This one seems to go faster. This one's just a little finer. Yeah, you can feel that this one's just a little more finer. Just a little tiny bit. Right, so this is a one. And it clips on like that. There's actually a lot. So 2 is actually good too. And it feels, because if you have more blades on here, it's actually gonna feel smoother even after you shave it. So I would say 3 is the best one. This is after doing that clean trim. I actually pretty like it. It's nice. I don't have to use the shaver here. So we're gonna do skin, and we're gonna try and blend it in all the way to here. We're gonna do a line here. All this as well. We're gonna go and take a clipper now, and see if the clipper is as close to skin. No, nothing. Yeah, barely. Let's see here. So, see, barely, which means I have to use the trimmer. B is 4.5 mil, so they basically just, and then to release, you just pull on the tab, so very easy. Now, if you bring this part up, you can get a tighter cut as well. So first we're gonna go like that. And I think we're gonna just go right over here just to see. So even that is good, but not that good. So we're just gonna go back to the front, just so we can get any leftover on top. The clipper, in my case, I don't think is really gonna be necessary then. I am at the trimmer level, which is a lot lower. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna basically do a line all the way around. We'll go down. And, oh yeah, that definitely works. See? That definitely works. Oh, that is close. I'm already starting to feel like a UFC fighter. So now, we're gonna go all the way around. What I'm doing is this. Now, I'm gonna go up. Cutting this part. To put 1 or 2 mil on there and then just start fading it in. So we put 1 on and let's see how that works. I'm going down upwards about an inch or so, and then I'm going to basically blend this in. And now the 3. But it's mostly done, I would say. So first I start with a line and then I make it thicker. And then you can decide if you want to go this way, that way, however you want. And then you just carry it right through. We managed to go here. So what I could do is I would probably just like thin this part out still. And then just try and blend this part in. So I think overall it came out pretty decent, right? It does a pretty decent job fading. Remember, every haircut these days is about 25 to 30 bucks plus tip. So depending on the type of haircut you're doing, if you're doing anything like this and you want fades or lines or anything like that, this set of clippers is probably pretty good. Also, the trimmer is pretty good on your unmentionables, if you know what I mean. It doesn't actually hurt you with the blade, so that's a bonus. In terms of cutting power, strength, portability, I actually dig these things. Anyways, that's the video. Check those out. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.